Okay, so you're on the road, you found a hotel to stay at, but one of your pet peeves is having an air conditioner that cycles the fan on and off. That really annoys me and it's hard to sleep. So I like to have the fan on all the time. So let's see how we can create a hack so that the air conditioner will run the fan all the time. Okay, so this LG air conditioner, no matter what you do, the energy saver was going to stay on. You can't turn it off. You can change modes, but the energy saver mode stays on and will not let our fan run once the temperature reaches its set point. So we're going to hack that baby. So simply grab the bottom of the air conditioner facing, lift up on it, and you can just pick this off and get to all the insides. You can see our air conditioner screen here. Our screen here looks pretty clean, so that's a good sign for this hotel. Okay, we're gonna have to get into this cover right here. So make sure you unplug it so it doesn't have any power for this next step. Simply unscrew this faceplate. This allows us access to the control board. Okay, on this control board, you'll see a set of dip switches here. This number 2 is the one we're after. Number 2. Let me see if I can get to it here. We're going to turn this off. Okay, that should do it. Then we're going to put the faceplate back on and try it out. Okay guys, the cover's on. Let's turn it on. Okay, as you can see, the energy save mode is no longer on. So there we go. The fan is blowing. No matter what you set it to, the fan's gonna stay on now. So the air conditioner in your room is not the same as the one in my room, but that's okay. You can still figure it out. There's gonna be a way to disable that energy saver. So just look for your model number of your air conditioner unit and Google the instruction manual for that unit, and it will tell you what to do. So good luck guys.